In this video, I'll be showing you how to wire your 99 to 07 classic aftermarket Chevy tow mirrors for triple function lighting. You can get the same kit from Boost Auto for $100. I made mine for under $1. Alright, so I got my mirror taken apart here. I got some 16 gauge. I got some shrink wrap, some T-taps. And this is the most important part. This was the hardest to find since there is no Radio Shack anymore. I got 270 ohm half watt resistors and some diodes. And let's get started. Alright, so you're going to want to take two diodes, and this gray line right here is where your current is going. So that's where it's going to go towards the LED. So I'm going to put these two together right now. Alright, so I got it together just like that. Now you're going to take a resistor. It doesn't matter which side, but you're going to add it onto it. Alright, it's not that pretty, but I got it all together right here. This is what it should look like. So you got your two diodes, the current going towards your LED, and then you got a resistor on one of those. And this is where your running light's going to be going into, and this is where your turn signal is going to be going into. And now I'm going to show you how to do it on the mirror. Alright, so you're going to want to unplug this, going towards your LED right here. And you want to cut both of these wires right here. Alright, so here's the plug for the LEDs. So you're going to take your blue power wire, and it's going to go like this on your diode setup. Just like that. And then the other part of the original wiring that I cut is going to go right to the end of this diode. Okay, then I'm going to run a new power wire, and it's going to go to this resistor, and that's going to be for my running lights. I ran a new power already. This just pops right off, and you run it right in through there with the existing wiring. Alright, so I got my setup all soldered up here, and now I'm going to solder into my wires. Alright, so I got it all soldered up to my wires. Again, the wire I ran myself went to the resistor here, into the diode that went into the LED, and then the other diode went to the existing one that'll be for my turn signal. Now I'm gonna hide all this with shrink wrap and get it all sealed up and ready to go. The ground on here, I made a quick connect, and then I made it so I could just, you know, tee it in there. So I got the two grounds on here, and I have it to where you can just plug it right into that other ground. Alright, here's the final product. This is what I got. Got it all taped up, and I'm going to tuck it and hide it now and put my mirror back together. So once you remove this trim piece, there's a little sponge in here, and you remove that little insulation piece. Then there's 3 10mm bolts that you'd remove. Okay, so this part just plugs right in. And I'm going to cut my ground right now. So I'm going to ground it right to the door. I'm going to remove this 10mm bolt right here. And then I'm just going to ground it to the door. Alright, so I twisted this wire together to make it easier to feed through. And I also fed my power wire together with it. And they go down through the door. They're going to go out that grommet and into the cab, and I'm going to run it underneath the dash, and I'm going to tie it into the other side. Alright, so I did the same on this side. I ran through this grommet, connected the power wire for the running lights here, the reverse lights connected over there, and then I got okay, so dark blue is for right, and the light blue is for your left turn signal. And then I drilled a hole in my fuse box and ran these fuse taps right here. I got my reverse light going to my trailer backup. I did a 5 on top of a 10, and then over here I ran my parking lights to my front park. And I could run my the reverse lights to either a cargo light or to a dome light, but for now I just got it to my reverse lights. And here's how the turn signal looks. Sorry, my mirror's kind of dirty right now, but I think it looks pretty good. The higher the resistance you go, the dimmer the running light's going to be. There's several different ways of doing this. This is the way I wanted to do it, and I think it looks great. Well, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.